Hello, everyone. So this is going to just go over a little bit of an introduction to Photopea and where things are in the program. So when you're remote and you're at home, I don't expect you to have Photoshop. So we are going to use photopea.com instead. And Photopea is a free web-based program, and it is really, really similar to Photoshop. So hopefully it'll be easy doing projects at school in Photoshop and doing your projects at home here in Photopea. The tools should be similar and in similar spaces. So to get started in Photopea, you go to photopea.com and this window pops up and you have a choice of new project or open from computer if you've already been working on one. Whenever you start a new project, you're always going to name it, and you are going to always do your first, last name, G in your grade, and what it is you're doing. So I'm going to say Photopea. And then underneath here, you'll see some templates, and you're going to use print and letter size, just like what we do in class. You're going to click on the Create button next, and here's your document. So this workspace is really similar to Photoshop. On the left-hand side, you have your toolbox, where you have your Move tool, your selection tools. You've got 3 buttons here, Crop, your paintbrush, your text tool, and then down here you have your color choices. Up here on the top, under File, this is where you open something. You can open something and place it into this document like a photo. This is where you save as your PSD file, that Photoshop file with all of your layers. And this is where you can export as, and this is where you can export it as a JPEG file. And then the JPEG file is what you turn into Google Classroom. Under Edit, this is your copy paste and your transform, just like in Photoshop. And then underneath the menu bar, you have your options bar. So every time you click on a new tool, you can customize the tool in your options bar. On the right-hand side are your panels. So you have your history, and you have swatches up here. You have hidden ones as well that go over your brushes, change the size of your brush and the type of brush, your characters for when you use text, and then most importantly, your layer panel. And underneath here, you can see the layers that you are either putting in with photos or text tool. We'll add a new layer as well. And this is also where you find your opacity for the layer and your screen modes. And then down here at the bottom of your screen mode, of your layer panel, you will see the little icon for a layer mask or layer adjustments if you want to change colors and contrast, make a new layer, or trash an old layer. So this is Photopea. Again, very similar workspace. You've got your toolbox, you've got your menus and your options bar and your panels that you'll be using consistently when you're building in Photopea. Just remember, when you're done working, you're going to go back to File and you're going to export as a JPEG, and it's that JPEG file that you will attach to send to me to grade in Google Classroom.